Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth, while others struggle to make ends meet? We all spend our lives chasing money, climbing the corporate ladder, desperately hoping to build a secure future. But what if there was a different path? In today's journey, we'll dive into the revolutionary book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki, and unlock the secrets to financial freedom. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a financial classic, penned by the renowned entrepreneur Robert Kiyosaki. Published in 1997, it is more than just a book, it's a financial compass. Kiyosaki's narrative revolves around the stark contrast between his biological father, the poor dad, and the father of his childhood friend, the rich dad. The book serves as an indispensable guide to financial education, emphasizing the crucial role of assets, investments, and the cultivation of a wealth mindset. This isn't just another personal finance book. It's a story, a parable, a journey through the contrasting worlds of Kiyosaki's two fathers, his poor dad, a highly educated academic trapped in the rat race, and his rich dad, a self-made entrepreneur with an unconventional approach to money. Through their contrasting lives, Kiyosaki sheds light on crucial financial concepts that most of us are never taught in school. Get ready to rethink everything you know about money, assets, liabilities, and the path to financial independence. First, let's tackle the elephant in the room: financial education. Most of us are financially illiterate, navigating the world of money blindly. Rich Dad, Poor Dad emphasizes the importance of learning how money works, understanding financial concepts, and making informed decisions. Next, we encounter the crucial distinction between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take it out. Rich Dad teaches us to focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income, like businesses or rental properties, instead of getting stuck in the cycle of liabilities like car loans and credit card debt. The ultimate goal? Financial independence. Imagine having enough passive income to cover your expenses, freeing you from the shackles of a traditional job and allowing you to pursue your passions. Rich Dad, Poor Dad lays out a roadmap to achieve this, encouraging readers to build multiple income streams and escape the rat race. But it's not just about numbers and strategies. Rich Dad, Poor Dad emphasizes the power of mindset. Cultivating a positive attitude towards money, taking risks, and believing in your ability to succeed are crucial ingredients for financial success. And of course, it all boils down to action. Knowledge is useless without implementation. Rich Dad, Poor Dad provides actionable steps to get started, from investing in real estate to starting your own business. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Rich Dad, Poor Dad may not have all the answers, and some of its advice might not be universally applicable. But its core message remains powerful. Take control of your financial future, educate yourself, build assets, and never stop chasing your dreams of financial independence. Beyond these pillars, Rich Dad, Poor Dad equips you to overcome obstacles of fear, doubt, and negativity. Identify and strategically dismantle them. Develop a positive mindset, learn from setbacks, and surround yourself with supportive individuals to turn these roadblocks into stepping stones. Take action. The book isn't just theory, it's a call to action. Form a personal financial plan, set achievable goals, and take small, consistent steps towards them. The journey begins with the first step, and Rich Dad, Poor Dad provides the map and compass to guide you. Remember, financial freedom isn't a fairy tale. It's a deliberate choice, a journey fueled by knowledge, action, and the unwavering belief that you can rewrite your financial story. Rich Dad, Poor Dad doesn't offer instant riches, but it provides the tools and inspiration to unlock the potential for wealth and freedom that lies within each of us. So, are you ready to ditch the poor dad mindset and embrace the rich dad philosophy? Start your journey towards financial freedom today. The only person holding you back is yourself.